We are going to explain how to configure the application Mega Icon Launcher in an easy way. Please, do not hesitate to ask for extra help sending an email to megaiconlauncher@gmail.com. Once the application is installed, we open it. First of all, we will watch a welcome screen. We must read and understand the license agreement to continue. Then we will see a few help screens. We go to the last screen and tap on Exit. The application will be loaded for the first time and it will show basic instructions. Please tap on I got it. Don't show again. Some basic icons are created by default. We will watch them in a minute. It is important to tell the device we want this application to become the default launcher application. To do so, we press on the Home button and we choose Mega Icon Launcher. If we click on Home once more, we will be asked again to confirm it. We should choose the option Always. Our application will be now the default Home Launcher application. To start editing the screens we have to tap on the menu icon. Then tap on Edit Mode. As earlier, we will see basic instructions to use the application. Basically, these instructions tell us how to add new items, how to edit them, delete them or modify the size. Tap on I got it. Don't show again. Let's see each of these options. The symbol with the 4 blue circles is used to change the size of the icon. If we tap on it we will be able to drag and drop to change the size. We need to click outside of the rectangle to confirm the size. We are going to delete all the initially created icons, and then we will create them one by one explaining their utility. Long press on the Edit Mode screen to create a new item. A new window will be opened displaying the available options. We will add a first icon to display the battery level. This way the user will know how much battery is left in the device. Move the icon dragging and dropping it in the place you want. Long press again to add another item. This time we are adding a new icon to directly call to a telephone number. We type the number or we search for it on our contacts list. We can assign one of the predefined images or search for one in the gallery. We select the part of the image we want. We also have the option to type a name for that image. In this case we will leave it without any text. The new icon will be displayed on the screen. We move it and change its size as desired. Remember, we need to click outside of the rectangle to confirm the size. Let's add another icon. This one will also be used to call a phone number. In this case, to call home. We type the number directly or we search for it on the contact list. We select the preset image we want. Optionally, we can type a text for this image. In this case we type home or call home. We are able to select the text position. We can even select the text color. Once on the screen, we can change its position and change the size. Let's quickly create a third icon to call another person. Now we are going to create a shortcut for an application. We long press on the edit mode screen and select execute application. We choose the application we want. In this case, the internet browser. We can use the stock icon of the application, or we can use one of the predefined images, or we can even select another image from the gallery. We can also type a name for the application. In this case we will use the name Internet. This way it will be easier for our users. We can also choose the text position and the text color. Now we are going to add a new icon to display an easy dialer with big buttons. The procedure is the same. Adding an icon to display the contact list is very easy too. Our users will be able to click on any of them and easily start a call. Let's watch how the layout is going to look for our user. To do that we exit the edit mode clicking on the menu icon and on finish editing. Now we are watching the screen as the user will watch it. If we want to change the layout again, we only need to go back to edit mode. We rearrange the icon as we wish. We can even change values clicking on the edit icon. We can change the phone number, the text to be displayed or the image. In this case, the image will perfectly fit the new size of the icon. Now we will add a clock to display the time. To do that we add a new icon on the edit mode screen. In this case we select widget. The available widgets on the device will be shown. In this case we choose digital clock. Let's finish the editing and watch the result. If we tap on Internet, then the Internet browser will open. If we tap on Call Home, then a call be started. To hang up the call we have to slide the finger following the arrows. Nevertheless, this can be much easier. We will see it afterwards. A very simple contact list will be displayed when clicking on the contacts icon. Tapping on any of them will start a new call in a really simple and easy way. The dialer displays a big font keypad with big and easy buttons. We can also add more screens. This way it is possible to arrange the icons in a better way. This way it is easier for the user. We can flip from one screen to the other tapping on the circles. To edit a screen, first select it and then enter in the edit mode. Add icons as we did before. Right now we will add one item to display the applications list. On this second screen we are going to add another icon to display the call log. It will display the missed calls, the incoming calls and the outgoing calls. If we finish editing, then we will be able to see how it will work. It is also possible to let the user change the telephone volume in an extremely easy way. To do that we use an application widget, called Sound Profile by Korkanug. We should have that free application previously installed on the device. As you can see, it is really simple for the user to change to silent mode, vibration, night, calls only. Let's watch now the application settings. We enter in the edit mode. We click again on the menu and then on settings. One of the available options is to hide the Android notification bar. It depends on our choice, but it could be much easier for the user if the notification bar is hidden. Another option is to choose the text size. You can choose from normal to huge. The text size will affect all the screens in Mega Icon Launcher. We have also the option to avoid the user to modify the contacts. We can even set a password to enter in the edit mode. The idea is to protect the layout, avoiding the user to modify it in any way. Let's create a password. We can also define the behavior of the buttons to accept or to dismiss the calls. We had it on swipe mode before. Let's change it to short press button. We will watch a sample shortly. The wallpaper or the background color can also be changed. We leave the edit mode and watch the new settings. If we enter again we will be prompted for a password. Because this is what we just wanted. This way we will protect our design. The user will not be able to modify the layout. If we don't want a password, we just need to leave it empty. If we receive a call we will see a large image of the calling person, as long as this person's contact has an image. The name will also be displayed using big fonts. Next to this information there will be two buttons. One to accept the call, and another to reject it. These buttons will be displayed as we told before. It can be as a swipe button, or as a short press button. It is also possible to move one icon from one screen to the other. To do that, enter in edit mode, drag the icon near to the screen limit, and keep it there for a second. You will see how it changes to the next screen. The idea of Mega Icon Launcher is to create one or several screens for the user of this telephone. The user can be your kid, your grandparent, or even yourself. These screens will be extremely easy, always displaying big fonts and big images. You will not have to worry about those users modifying the layout.